right, everyone, on 3. 1, 2, P-U-H. Keep pushing, we got this.
Easy, bring it down slow.
All right, it's seated. Hand me the torque wrench.
Got it. 3 more foot-pounds and we're good.
Yeah, we did hit it!
Woohoo! That looks amazing!
Great job, everyone.
Look at this stunning 67 fastback. We're at 100,000. Do I hear 10, 10? Thank you. 20, 20, 20, 30. Who'll give me 30 for this video? 100,000. Do I hear 10? 120. Looking for 30. 140. 150,000. Going once, going twice. Sold!
There you have it. Payment confirmed on the spot.
Amazing. It's been a pleasure doing business with you.
Congratulations, she's all yours. Enjoy the ride.
Thank you. I can't believe she's finally mine. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.